Okay, my hand is wrapped up right now because I actually burnt myself trying to do this, which is really sad, I know. But I wanted to make Brent a little treat because he's been working so hard today editing videos. So I am going to bake him up one of his favorite treats.
Classified information.
Okay, let's see, I'm gonna have to take that out for a second. I'm gonna make this. I don't have to think I've been working really hard, so. Okay, let's see how he likes it. Let's see if I can do this without dropping it. Oh, goodness. Okay. Honey, I fixed you something.
You kidding?
Yeah, no, I'm not kidding, but I did burn my hand, so I'm gonna have you come grab it really quick. Why
do you have flour all over you?
From the baking. Try it.
Okay.
See how you like it.
Yum.
Fresh out of the oven. How's the coffee?
Super yummy.
Okay, good.
You literally are covered in flour.
I know. I'm gonna go freshen up and probably go shopping or something to recuperate from all that hard work.
Yummy.
And I literally did burn my hand.
Well, we'll put it in some cool water.
I will.
Super yummy.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it.
Please and thank you.